I think, like, to get to the most fundamental root of it, a person should be able to look on Google Maps how they get from point A to point B and be able to pick an option that isn't 2 hours long as opposed to 20 minutes long in their personal car. And I think if you can't answer that question, then people aren't going to want to change their mental mindset on how it is that they get from point A to point B, because we are all simple human beings with a limited amount of time, and each year we're working longer hours. And I think most people aren't willing to make that compromise in time to take the bus because it's more socially valuable. But that's kind of the big philosophical and psychological question that we need to answer to really get people to buy into the Green New Deal.